I think I think I know what to do. So if I run, excuse, I run at the speed of 12.5, which is the running speed. I crouch at the crouching speed 2.3, and then I uncrouch with the walking speed 5.5. Now it's because I believe is wait what? Oh, there it is. That's a problem. I double tap the run input, which is the shift, and as you can see, I'm in my crouched speed, but with the running speed of 12.5. We don't want that. We want it to be still at the crouched speed, which is the 2.5. Now, I think it's because of this. So let's get rid of that, and let's get rid of that too. And then the reason, now you might be laughing, but the reason why I have this is rounding and is crouching boolean values set to true is that because I believed I I made that to make the the value of the is running that it is running. So it's like a truthy value of the is running. I'm just setting it that they are true so that I can use them in the if function. So that if is running, then it's true, then it should execute the code block which is used for running. That is what I believed. But what I did was in the actual in the actual fact is that I've set that the default one is that we are running. So I've set the default to that we are running. So by default we should be standing and we should be walking, not running. So I did the opposite of it, and I've set also here that the value or the default is that we are already in the crouch state. As you can see, is crouching is set to true. We don't want that. We want it to be false, so because we want it to be standing. And here we want it to be walking. So let's set them as false. Since they are both false, we are to negate. Wait. First, let's negate the running. Running. Get rid of that. So let me see if it works. Yep. So as you can see here, we are default by we at default we are walking because the is running boolean value is set to false. That would mean we are walking at default. So if then we press run or the run input and then execute the run, and if it knows that we are not running, then the speed would increase to the running speed, which is essentially would make us run. So that is the logic of it. And this would be invert the value of running, which is a which is a toggle switch for running. So if we are running and then execute this one, and then the current value is that we are running, then we press the run, and then it would actually execute this one, toggle the value, then we would not be running, which would then um execute this one. Otherwise, we would be walking. That is my point. And now let's move on to the crouch. Let's set this to false. And the false, I mean, let's go to the crouch. So if we are not crouching, then we should crouch. Okay, let's go to the crouch function. So if we are, there it is. If we are not crouching, then we should crouch. If we are crouching, then we should uncrouch. So that is the logic of it, as you can see. So if we are crouching, if is crouching, then we should uncrouch. This code block is used to uncrouch. As you can see, it has been negated in this part, and from end parameter has been set to true, which would mean the animation would start here to here, uncrouching. Go to the script. What else? I guess that's it for now. Well, yeah. But first, let's go to the run function. Copy this one, put it in here, just to be uniformed. And then also here, because we still have the problem where when we are on the crouching state is that we can run. You don't want that. We still want to be on the crouch speed at the 2.3. So let's go into the input function, which detects any inputs, and in the run. So if we are so there it is. So if we are not crouching, so if the run input has been pressed and we are on the floor, and also if we are and if we uh, are not crouching, which means if we are standing, then we should be able to run only. So if we run this one, crouch, then if I press the shift, which is the run, I cannot run anymore. As you can see, oh, what? Oh, it's because this is a different button actually. So let's go here. I forgot. So if you should go here. Let's just delete this one and just use the run function rather than just copying it, the dry. So you call don't repeat yourself. So okay, we are not now we are not what? We are not now able to run when we are crouching. So problem fixed. So again, let me redo. Currently, we are walking at the speed of 5.5. If I run, we then be able to run, increase the speed at 12.5. And if I crouch, then we would be crouching at the speed of 2.3. When crouch, we would be at the speed of walking speed at the 5.5. And if I crouch and then shift, we are not able to run because we are on the crouching speed. And if we try this one, we are not able to run also. Though we can jump. Oh, that's fine, I guess. So, but we would have another problem. That would mean we are not able to prone. We want to prone and pass this part. And if we go here and then uncrouch, I can't move. Uncrouch, I can't move. We don't want that. We will have to fix that. So we have fixed the crouching speed increase. We did the crouch, not yet, I guess. So crouch area or crouch collision, where um we can uncrouch, crouch, and crouch. That would mean we are only able to uncrouch when we have space like this, but when we have a space at the bottom of us, then we would be not able to uncrouch. But in our case, we can uncrouch. We don't want that. And next thing to do is the prone. So this one and then this one. Actually, we are not done yet. So indeed we fixed the crouching speed and then the redundant inputs of our crouch. And we still have to do the prone and the crouching collision something. We still have to fix this to correct this one and then the prone, but I forgot to input the button for our mobile. So we are to do that. First we go to our character, then 3D, 2D rather, and then go here, control, buttons. Actually, I want to increase this one. Jump, copy this. And this would be crouching. Hmm. Yeah, that would be crouching because I did fix the crouching. Hmm. First layout would be ugly, I guess. This would be my layout. Very beautiful. But I guess it's too big. Hmm. What if I put it upward a little bit? There it is. Okay. And then if we go to our crouch, let's disconnect this one for now. And then, you know, connect it to our script again on crouch. So then we go to this part. Let's copy this one and then put it in this part in the button where it is pressed. So if it is pressed and if it's not crouching, then we should crouch. It should execute the crouch function, which has this one. And we copied this one just to ensure that we are not crouching. And if we are not crouching, then we should execute the code block, which is used to crouch our player. And if else, if we are if we press C again, and if it's not this one, then we should be having the different. What if this is for the crouching? Then this should would be the uncrouch, which would execute the uncrouch function. And if we are crouching already, then we would execute this code block, which is used for the player to uncrouch. And then this is for the toggling the crouch. And I hope, oops, I forgot. Of course, there would no be button in there because if we go to our world, we did not actually update our character. As you can see, there is no crouch here, and if we go to our character scene, we have our crouch. So first, let's delete that one, and then reinstantiate our character. Make it local to see its children nodes, and play. Oh, I forgot. Then we should now able to crouch, uncrouch, run, and then crouch, run while crouching, jump while crouching. So it do work in our PC, but if we try on our phone, so let me see if it works. So here we are opening our phone in our phone rather, and I see the three beautiful buttons, and um, I am able to move. I'm also able to crouch. Wow, that's so beautiful, man. I'm also able to run. Okay, I am also able to jump. Okay, so if I run and crouch, of course, you would be crouching at the speed of 2.3, which is the crouch speed. And if we are in the crouched state and if we run, of course, it would not run anymore because we are in the crouch speed, which we essentially fixed in the previous one. Jump, we can jump. We can jump at the walking speed. Of course, we can jump and increase our speed. Whoa, that's another one to fix. As you can see, I can jump. I am running, correct? and I can jump. But if I am already, oh, hmm, I have another one to fix. That's crazy. So I can't unrun. So what's the problem here? Let's um, I have another fix. So in the run, actually, I can't untoggle run. Wrong spelling. What? Cannot cannot untoggle run. Also, it runs when I'm on the jump state. Jump state. I have to fix those before going here and this part. Sheesh. Always setback. There is always a setback. Anyways, so if we play on our PC, run. Okay, I can't untoggle the run. What's happening? Run. If it's running. Oh. Uh, could be the problem. Oh, what's this? If is crouching run. Perhaps let's create here our else that it should always be at the walking speed. Walking at the speed of, there it is. So perhaps if we try this one, run. Oh, what happened? By default, we are not running because that's false, correct? Ah, I know it. Run. I forgot about this one. I forgot about the toggle. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. So let's get rid of this first. Then copy this one. Then there should be a toggle right now. Run. Of course. Damn. What happened? So else our speed should be at the running speed actually. Running speed. Walking speed rather. But hmm. Anyways, let's try. Run. Still not working. It's always in the run. Whoa, what? What if it's true? Hmm. I can't untoggle the run. What did I do? Oh, I know it. Oh, it's in here. This falls. Run. Oh. Anyways, let's debug. Enough talk. I still have 10 minutes. Hmm. You know, it should be toggled if it's running. Oh, what if, you know? But now it should be already in here. There it is. As if it's crouching. Ah, I think it's in this part. Yeah, that should untoggle. Hmm. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, speed, walking speed. So if I run, we are at the walking speed. And if I press run to run, we are at the 12.5, which is the running speed. If I untoggle it back, it does not walk anymore. Hmm. I believe it's in this part. Hmm. Don't tell me I should put this one. Well, if it is running, hmm, this is too much redundancy. Hmm. If it's crouching, hmm. Well, if it's crouching, then run. I mean, it's if it's standing rather. Then it should be in the run. It should be in here. Hmm. Oh, I'm dead. Why? What did I do wrong here? Cause I'm Hmm. Should then execute the run function here. Then this should. Oh. You know what? I believe we should get rid of this, and there should be a else to run. I mean to walk. Walk speed print walking speed at, and then we invert the value if it's pressed again. Well, it works, but we are running at the but we are running at when we are crouched. We don't want that. So this should be an elif of is crouching. No, yeah. Should only be when if it's not crouched. Hmm? Walking, running, crouching, walking. Oh, we can't walk or we can't run. Okay, so I guess we fixed it. But let us rerun it. We still have 2 minutes. So run, press shift again. Then we are walking. That's crazy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That is yeah, that is it. And then if we crouch, then we should be at the crouch. Press shift again. We can run or walk. Press C. We are walking at. Okay. Whoa. Hmm. Hmm. Something went wrong here. Why is there double run? Hmm. I believe it is here. It is on the run function. Yeah, it is in here. OMG. You know what? Let's 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 cut this one. Let's cut this if it's if it's not crouching and if it's not running, then we should able to run. And then let's copy this one and let's just call here the run. Copy here the run function. There it is. So if it's oh, speed is equal to walking, speed would be in walking. I think we don't need this one. Yeah, we don't need this one. Let me try. Run, walk. It's not walking. Crouch, run. It's not running. So if I put it in here, if it's not crouching, which means if it's standing, and we press the run, then yeah, this should work. It did not work. Why, man? Mm, mm. I guess it's in here. Yeah, it's all about the run. Well, if it's not crouching, which means if it's standing, and if you pressed run again, it should be walking. That's fine. Then if so, then the walking speed should be in here. Let's get rid of you. If you do that, perhaps the redundancy would be now disabled. So if you run, walk. You can't walk. Why? This is getting on my nerves. But it's fine. What happened? Oh, perhaps we should do that. Okay. Running, walking, running, walking, running, running. Oh, running, walking, running, walking, running, walking. It's good, good. So, oh, what else? What else? What else? It says walking at the speed of. Walking at the speed of. It's fine. And walking speed at. So we should get rid of this, perhaps. Because that would be redundant. Walking, running. I mean, whoa. Running, running, running. Why? So it is in here. So what if I get rid of this? You know, running, walking, running, walking. Oh, it seems fine. Running, walking, running, walking. So if I press crouch, it is in the crouch speed. If I press run, it's not running or it's not walking. Crouch, it is already in the walking speed. That's fine. Running, walking. Whoa, there it is. So I pressed run again. It did not walk. I had to press twice when it's from. Let's see, let's see. It's running speed. Hmm. Running at the speed of. Ah, I knew it. Maybe it's because of you. Running, walking, running, walking. Crouch, uncrouch, running. Whoa, I fixed it. Okay, crouch, running. It's not I've been walking. It's fine. It's in the walking speed. Run, walk, run, walk. Yes, I did it, man. Okay, crouching, running, walking. Oh, walking. Okay, I fixed it. Let's go. What else? Oh, damn, that was 6 minutes. So wait, chill, man. Let me fix. Let me reinstantiate my character. Oh wait, go back here. Go to our running. Copy this one. Yeah, it should be copied here. So there it is. Okay, and then let's reinstantiate our player. Delete just to make sure. A character rather. And then let's run it on our phone. I hope it works. Excuse. Oh, there it is. So run. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we can crouch, jump, jump, crouch. We are already at walking speed. Run. Yeah, it works. Now the last thing to do is before we go to the crouch, fully fixing the crouch and then the crouch collision, eventually moving to prone. First, we would, yeah, I think I fixed this one. It runs when I'm on the jump state. I still not fixed this one. Okay, we still have three. Sheesh. But I guess that's it for now.